Hi, ladies and gentlemen. How you doing? So in this video, I will be putting you through how to go about your virtual assistant milestone for week 2. So right now I'm going to log in into my portal. Now this is my week 2 portal already. Week 2. Week 2. Let me click on it again. Week 2. Then I go straight down to the milestone area. How do I go to the milestone area? I think this is the milestone area. We start from resourcing. Okay, so where's the milestone? Okay, milestone. Let's right. So the first thing that is here is your baseline skills, peer coaching, and all of that. I know you must have read all of this. I don't want to bore you with that. The first step here is to schedule a call with your pair partner. Now, to schedule a call with your pair partner, you have to pair yourself with someone that is doing virtual assistance and is in your cohort. It doesn't necessarily have to be your squad, right? So when you have paired with your partner, there are some scripts that were given here, but I would say that if you look back at all the videos that has been given in these modules and the rest of the modules, you will see how they were able to do pair coaching together on a live Zoom meeting. Yours doesn't have to be a live Zoom meeting. Yours can be maybe a WhatsApp call, a mobile call, or maybe a Google Meet or a Zoom meeting. Any one that works best for you is really fine. You are not submitting the recording. You are just taking notes of all what you guys did in the meeting together. So the next afterwards, after you've done that, the place that you're going to put it, we are going to get to that part now. But for this the second part is complete your skill tracker. Your skill tracker in here, I think your skill tracker is the second one that you'll be submitting. This is the place you're going to put your second your skill tracker here. So let's move on to the skill tracker. So make sure you have reviewed all of the learning content in week 2 and completed your skill tracker. Now let's find the skill tracker. I think this is the hardest part of it. So to find your skill tracker, you must have downloaded it, but for the sake of this video, maybe you missed it. You come here and you click on the skill map here. After you click on it, it is going to ask for the Gmail that you want it to be submitted to. Then you this is, please pay attention to this part very well. Pay attention to this part very well. As you can see, the skill tracker is not looking full. That's number one. It's not looking full because we are using a mobile version, but still you can do it with your mobile version. Now you can see, let's take for instance, I want to, because you have to edit this part of it. Okay, you have to the instruction is follow directions below. I don't want to start going through all this instruction. You read it when you get there. But what I want to point out is, for growth mindset, you have to put the number. So the number for the best is number 5. 5 is number 5 is, look at it here, just right here. Enter 5 if you are already exceptional in this area. This is 5 here, right? So in this enter 4 if you possess good solid skills. Enter 3 if you know some stuff but not everything. So you can see here that growth mindset that is already there right now is 3, right? It is already 3. But now, if you feel like your growth mindset is higher or lower, you have to edit it. Same here, you have to edit this one too and put a number there. But if you click on it now, it's not editable. You can see, look below here, you can see that it is not editable. You can see that it is on view only. You can't edit it from here. So what do you do? How do you edit this skill map to your own best interest? What you're going to do is, you're going to click on this three dot at the top right corner here. Then you search for You search for make a copy. Let me go back again. Click on the three dot at the top right corner, click on share and export. When you click on make a copy, then you make a copy. Make sure you name make sure you name it skill, simple skill tracker, tracker, tutorial. This is a tutorial, so I'm saving it as that tutorial. It will save in my drive. I click on OK and it's going to save in my drive. Now you can see it has saved in my drive. Let me go back. It has saved in my drive. Let me check the name again. Reload the page. Let me see if it's this one. What's the name? I need to check the name. Okay, tutorial. Yeah, it is. This is it here, tutorial. This is my Google Drive, right? Tutorial. Then you click on it. After you click on it, you can see that when we clicked on it before, we were not able to edit, but right now we can edit it. So you click on this and say, okay, for growth mindset, I have 5. Then I move on. I have 5. You can see it has changed by itself. For communication, I have 4. Go on to the next one. For organization, you can see it's not really looking well, but you can do it with your phone. It doesn't have to be a laptop. You can also do it with your phone. That's what I'm trying to, that's why I did this video. Organization, you do it. You put okay, am I really organized? Let me put 3, enter. Confidentiality and discretion, superb. I don't like to share my my secrets just out there, just to anyone. So confidentiality, that is that about that. You just continue just like that. Then you move to the basic technical skills area. You can see the basic technical skills area is another part of it where notes on tech tools. We have grouped similar tools and apps for your convenience. If you are proficient with the tool, this example, they give you example. Now they're asking you the tools that you know how to use best. Now the Gmail, for the Gmail, okay, I know how to use Gmail very well. I will edit it and put 5. I click on enter. Go to MS Outlook email. I will do 3 for that. Click on enter. Go to Google Calendar. I will do 4 for this. Click on enter. Go to MS Outlook. I'll do 3. Click on enter, and that you do for the rest of it. So what you're going to do next is the list of skills, the list of skills you want to grow and develop. The list of, you can remember back in this week 2 content, we were asked to write out the skills that we want to develop, right? So now we already have prioritization there. If you don't want prioritization, you can just click on it, come down here, delete it. I don't want prioritization, I just want networking. For instance, I want networking. Okay, networking, I want to build in that area of networking. So what do? I can cancel this. So the growth plan that I'm going to use is go to more networking events in my field. Now you click on enter. The next there is skill 2. enter so and so and so on. You can continue, you can add more if you want, you can add more if you want, then you can go on and on and on. So when you're done, what are you going to do? You're going to uh click on this arrow, this done button here. You click on it and then you're done. You come to the workspace area, come here. After you come here, you start ticking the ones that you think you're good at. Winnings with self in workspace. Define your role, which part is yours, which part is your manager's. Act to getting on, staying on top, and all of that. So winning your role, if defining your role, which is part of yours, which is part of your managers, you can come here and click on okay. True. That if you marked it, then it's true. Now the next is acts to getting and staying on top. Acts to getting and staying on top. I'll click on true. Mental order and prioritization, I will leave that. The next is mastering. If you leave it like that, it means it's false. If you mark it, it means it's correct. Mastering the organization's way. Yes. Yes. uh Principles of leading from behind, sniping 101. Okay, I'll leave that as false. Tailored communication, yes. Refining writing styles, yeah. So on and on like that, you continue to mark them on and on just like that. And when you're done, you click on done. Then the next thing you want to do is copy, save it into your drive and copy the link. But before you copy the link, here is what is very, very important that I think you should do. You click on the three dots. After clicking on the three dots, click on share and export. Then you look this manage access here. Please always check it. Click on manage access. After managing access, change this restricted. Change it, because if it's restricted, no one will have access to it. Only people added can open the link. Only people that you add, their gmails that you add, can open the link. So you want to change it and put anyone with the link. That is that. Then you go back, come back. I will have copied it there, but I just want to simplify everything for you. You come back, share and export, copy the link. When you copy the link has been copied now. Now go back to your milestone. Now you have done the skill mapping part of it. You go back to your milestone area now. You come here. Let me remove this. That was for the skill mapping, right? Let me remove this too. I remove that. Undone this check button because I've already done it before. I undone the check button. Now this is for the skill mapping. I did the skill mapping first. So you come here, you paste it, click on save, click on check your code, click on start a new test, click on start a new. You can see congratulations, all tests passed successfully. Then you click on close. You can see that the done check button has checked by itself. It means the link is correct. I've not completed it, but it has marked it done checked. Now the next one is the peer coaching reflection write up. Now what do you need for the call? The call, this is the script that was given for the call. Let me open the script that was given for the call. Let me open the script. Let me open now. This is the script that is given to you. Script for, first of all, first name and last name. Be sure to write down this name because you must include it in your write-up. The five, what are your five strongest skills? Which do you personally find most challenging? And the next one will be, why are you meeting with your peer? You get to practice pairing coaching, decide who will be the coachee first and who. So me, in my own end, I will not be using this approach. This approach is fine for those who don't want to explore very well. I am someone that loves to network and I really want to network with someone, like anyone that I'm going to having the peer coaching with, I really want to dive deep into what was taught to us in the course. From the videos that I watched and everything, I saw how they were trying to implement all the skills that was taught to us without giving us a roadmap. Now this year is more like a roadmap, and for those who don't want to stress themselves. But me, on the other hand, I like to pay attention to details, and I like to use those details to my advantage, because I know it is part of the qualities of a good virtual assistant. Now, for you, you can go on to take this, but for me, I will go to the videos. In fact, I made a lot of jotting when I was watching those videos on peer-to-peer coaching for each and every one of it that was done. The videos, the what is it called? The write-ups, the lessons, and I did a lot of jotting down. Now they give you another one here. The call part A, what you should say in the call part A, the call part B, what you should say in the call part B, and all of that. Then you switch your roles again. Now the reflection part is, this is the milestone, the first milestone, which I omitted. The What you are going to do in this part is the first milestone. Let me come here. This one, yeah, right here. This is what we want to do now. This is what we want to do now. In a Google Doc, copy and paste the below questions A to H, and then under each question, type your answer to that question. Now, what I'm going to do first and foremost, before I click on this new Google Doc, what I want to do is copy all this A to H. Copy it, A to H. Copy it, copy. I copy it. After copying it, now I will click on the new Google Doc. It's going to open a new good Google Doc file for me. Then I paste it there. Then I want to give it spaces. I want to give it spaces so I can be able to fit in the answers. I want to give it spaces so I can be able to fit in the answers. Okay, now if I come here, okay, let's take for it. On and on like that, on and on like that, what you did in the meeting and all of that. I don't want to start boring you with that so much of that. When you're done, you click on the done button at the top left. Then you come here again, you click on share and export, click on manage access. After managing access, change the restricted one, change it to anyone with the link. After you've done that, it has been updated. I can copy the link directly from here. You can see there's a copy link here. Let me just use that already because I've used the first style. Let me use the second style. Click on copy this link here. I've copied the link. I go back. You can change the name too. You can change the name peer to peer coaching. Okay, you go back to your savannah. You come here and you paste it right here. After pasting it, click on save. After clicking on save, check your code. After clicking on check your code, click on start a new test. After clicking on start a new test, congratulations will pop up. If there is no congratulations, that means your URL is not correct. You click on close, then the done check button will check by itself, and you're done. If I click on next now, it will move me to the test area, which I don't want to do yet. I'm still digesting the course. I finished the course, but I like to go over and over with to the course again. I hope this was helpful. Please, if this was helpful, like, subscribe, comment on this channel. It will help me a lot. Please, thank you very much, and don't forget to stay frosty. Bye for now. Cheers.